Hi guys, and welcome to Brian Reynolds Car Sales, the home of Mazda in the Northeast. Today I want to show you this fresh in stock 21 plate 211 Mazda 3 GT Sport with the Aero kit. This is the top of the range hatchback, guys, with the Skyactiv X 186 horsepower engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox and the full Mazda Aero kit. This one is beautiful with its polymetal grey metallic paint, black 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got black leather interior with heated front seats and steering wheel, driver memory function, heads-up display, reverse camera, adaptive LED lighting, keyless entry, and a Bose surround sound system too. From every angle, this car just looks fantastic with its front, side and rear splitter kit. It's also got the rear spoiler and the exposed large exhaust pipes as well. With signature LED lighting, really stands out, privacy glass, chrome around the windows, and as I said, full black leather interior, which we'll check out next. Quick look inside the boot there, huge boot space with wide opening, 60/40 split drop down seats and some tie down points as well. Check out this interior, guys, with the extended leather across the door cards and this full black leather interior in great condition on the inside. Isofix anchor points should they be needed, drop down armrest to keep our passengers comfortable, privacy glass, hidden rear air ventilation, beautiful place to sit. Again, up front, the extended leather continues along with aluminium for the surround of the stereo, which is a Bose surround sound system, guys. We've got the electric leather seats up front with driver memory function. These seats are really supportive, very comfortable place to sit. Got the leather wrapped multifunctional steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and various car setup. We also benefit of a heads-up display with traffic sign recognition and sat-nav projection, as well as sat-nav here, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, reverse camera and lots more. We have all our heating control there. We have MP3, we have streaming, we have CD, USB, whatever way you like to listen to your music you can do it. Got hidden cup holders inside there, storage units and adjustable armrests with additional storage and USB charging. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox and auto handbrake, and as I said, it's the 186 horsepower supercharged 2-litre petrol mild hybrid. So super efficient and lots of power too. So guys, that's a quick run around this beautiful 21 plate Mazda 3 hatch here at Brian Reynolds Car Sales. If you'd like to book your appointment to see this car, talk about trade-in value or finance options, give one of us in the sales department a call, text, WhatsApp or email today and we'll be happy to help. As always, thanks for watching and we'll chat to you soon.